Hi there, welcome back. In our lesson today, we're going to review a very impressive Google extension. The extension we're going to speak about is called Chat GPT for Google. It allows us to use the impressive way of responding from Chat GPT in addition to searching easily on Google websites. So let's get started. I'm going to go to a new tab. Inside Google, inside my web browser, I'm going to search for Chat GPT for Google extension. Once you guys search for that, you can find this extension inside Google's web store. Here it is. This is how it looks like, and to add it, you just have to click on Add to Chrome and add the extension to give permission to the extension to be added to your web browser. It's going to take me to a new tab to tell me more about this extension or to offer some other extensions. This tab can be closed. I'm going to go and search for something. For example, let's say I'm looking for a Python code. I need a Python code to create a list. So I'm going to click on this, and on the right over here, the extension is going to be activated by itself and it gave me a Python code. So that is an easy thing to do. Another thing to do is, for example, to look for something that we do in life. For example, I need an orange cake recipe. Yes, good. So let's search for that. Once you search for it, you can get to recipes or some options over here. But ChatGPT as well is going to respond back to you. I'm just going to refresh the page and see what GPT response do I get. So as you can see, sure, here's a recipe for a delicious orange cake, and it shows the ingredients and whatever things that you need and the instructions. So that is actually good because it helps us by not accessing to ChatGPT, but by searching easily on Google and as well as receiving a response from ChatGPT. So go to your web browser, add the extension and test it.